Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. All right, what we're going to start off today with is our thinking caps. So let's get our thinking caps on so we are ready to rock this math. All right, make sure it's on nice and tight so it doesn't fall off. We lose our thinking cap right in the middle of this. Okay, let's start off with the shape today. With the shape. Yeah, I'm going to give you some clues about the shape, and I want you to figure out what shape it is I'm talking about. Okay, this shape that I have. Oh, Mr. Fox. Oh, hey, Mr. T. Hey, boys and girls. Mr. Fox, you're just in time. I am? Yes, you can help us out. Mr. Fox, I'm going to give you some clues along with the boys and girls. I want you guys to figure out what it is I'm talking about. Oh, okay. All right, so I have a shape that has four sides. Four sides, okay. And four vertices. Huh, four vertices, okay. I think I know what it is. Hmm. But I'm not done with all my clues. This shape has two sides that are longer than the other two sides. Oh, so it's not a square. How do you know it's not a square? Well, a square has four sides and four vertices, right? Yep, just like this one. But a square, each side is the same length. Yes, this one doesn't have the same length, right? Two are longer than the others. Okay, so, boys and girls, do you know? You want to tell them? It's a rectangle. And there it is. There's a rectangle right there. And we have two short sides and two longer sides. Four sides in all, four vertices. That's right. Four sides, four vertices. Thank you so much, Mr. Fox, for stopping by. That was perfect timing. Well, my pleasure. Bye bye, boys and girls. All right. And now, so Mr. Fox has taken his leave from us. Now, we're going to talk about our related facts. Now, we've been working on this. I'm going to show you a little bit of a different way to write these. We're going to figure out a hidden number today. We're going to have an unknown number, and we're going to figure that out with our different strategies. So let's take a look. All right, so I'm not going to ask you to find out what these three hidden numbers are. No, I'm going to give you some, but I'm showing you this. This is a number bond or a fact family, right? We can write it either way. It's essentially the same thing. What we're going to have today is we're going to be given some numbers. And as you'll see, one of these is unknown. It is not filled in. So it's our job to figure it out. That's why we put our thinking caps on to help us out, right? We have our thinking caps on to help us out with this. We take a close look. How can we figure this out? We have 10 and we have 3. Now, in a number bond or a fact family like this, the largest number will go up here on the top. That's what's known as the whole number. These two, whatever are here, are parts that if when you put them together, they make the whole number. So this plus this will equal this. This plus this will equal this. Now, cool thing about these numbers, when you put it like this, I take this number, 10, I can subtract this number, and it's going to give me that. How does that help us? Well, that's what we're going to be doing right now when we use our strategies. So we have 10 and 3. A couple of things we can do right off the bat. I can subtract. I can start with 10. I can take away 3 to give me that. Or I can start at 3 and I can count on until I get to 10, right? That'll give me the hidden number also, the unknown number. Now today's problems they're going to give you two different problems to solve. When you solve one of them, you pretty much solve the other because it's a fact family. So the first problem, let's say we're given this. 3 plus equals 10, right? 3 plus equals 10. Or we'll have 10 minus 3 equals 10 minus 3 equals 10 minus 3 equals Okay, a couple different ways we can do this, right? A couple different ways we can do this. So let me put this right over here. And let's see. Here's 10, right? Here's 10. I can just take 3 of these away because we have 10 minus 3. So I can take 3 of these away. Or I could start off with 3 and count on until I get to 10. So let's do that. Let's do that. This is 3. We'll do this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I made it to 10. I started at 3. I made it to 10. How many did I count on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counted on 7. Now, that's one way to do it. That would mean that 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, but I want to make sure that I'm right. I want to make sure. So let's do this. Let's start here at 3, and we're going to make a couple jumps. We're going to go to 10, right? I'm going to go to 10, and then I'm going to count how many jumps I have. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made it to 10. 7 jumps. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay. Well, what about if I did this? 10 minus 3. Okay. Let's check again. 10 minus 3. 1, 2, 3 is gone. And now we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left with 7 each time. So what that's telling me is that we got it right. We got it right. We checked and double checked and triple checked, and we got it. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. That means that 10 minus 3 must equal 7. So what is an unknown number? That's right. It's that number that keeps coming up. That is 7. We figured it out. 10 minus 3 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. There's our fact families. See, our thinking caps helped us out. All right, so we're going to practice this today. Remember, you're finding out the unknown number. You're going to be given 2 problems to do. You're going to fill out both of those, complete those 2 problems, and make sure you fill in our number bond, our fact family, okay? All right, so today we're going to work on page 206 in our chapter 5 book. 206, here it is. This is the problem that we just did. There's our example. So we're going to be given, for example, this is 14 and an 8, and here is an unknown number. And you're given 8 plus equals 14. 14 minus 8 equals Use whatever strategy works best for you. So we're going to do these 4 on this page. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 on page 207. Page 207, we're going to do 4, and then we're going to turn the page to 208A and do 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right? Okay. Also, let's practice our 1-minute math today. All right? 1-minute math. All right, boys and girls, have fun with this. I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Bye-bye.